Assalamu alaikum 7th class, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, let's complete our chapter today. Open your book, An International Approach, and come on page number 117. Okay, in previous lecture we have read about a king who was having his breakfast at his balcony, and he was looking down onto his subjects, and while he was having his breakfast, a drop of honey dropped at the edge of the balcony, and then it dripped down onto the street market below, where people had set up their stalls. And after dripping the drop of honey onto the street of market, a fly sat on it and started its breakfast. Then a gecko noticed a fly and he ate the fly, and had noticed a gecko, she ran to pounce on it. And when it was happening, a dog was sleeping nearby, and that dog immediately awake, and the dog furiously barked and leapt on the cat. So this is all. And while this was happening, the minister was also present there with the king, and he was also having breakfast with the king. And he noticed he said the king, we should send someone to stop the cat and dog, but the king carelessly said it's not our problem. So let's start. Meanwhile, the owners of the cat and the dog had left their market stalls and were trying to separate their animals, but the cat claws were vicious and the dog's teeth were dangerous. So the owners started to shout at each other. Then the dog's owner punched the cat's owner in the face. He in turn took up a piece of wood and hit the dog owner over the head. So here by the owners of the cat and dog came, and they started to separate the dog and cat, but the cat's claws were vicious, and the dog's teeth were dangerous, and they were holding each other very firmly that they couldn't separate them. And then the owners started to beat each other with the punch and with a piece of wood. The minister saw the situation with growing concern. Now the minister was worried, and he was asking the king, Your Majesty, I must insist. He said, those two men are fighting one another. Someone is going to be badly hurt. Shouldn't we call someone to break it up? And he wanted to send someone here again to stop the fighting, but the king looked down as he dabbed the honey from his chin. Now he was wiping the honey from his chin with a crisp white napkin. Leave them to it, he said languidly. It's not our problem. He was saying this in very lethargic way and very carelessly, that it's not our problem, let it be on them. Meanwhile, the fight below in the street had grown worse. Friends and family had gathered around the dog and cat owners to begin with. They cheered the two men on, but then the families started to join in. Soon the two groups were fighting each other. Stalls were upturned, and some people lay groaning on the ground, holding their heads. Some men were wounded and bleeding. So fight at a very big level started there. The people were divided into two groups, and they were fighting with each other very badly, and some people were laying on the floor wounded. The minister was becoming increasingly distressed. Now the minister was feeling very bad, and he was worried. Your Majesty, we must do something. The fight in the street is getting worse. Oh, do sit down, minister, replied the irritated king. Now the king was getting irritated, and he asked minister to sit down, and he said, don't you worry about it. Now soldier had arrived on the scene. Now soldiers came there. At first they tried to break up the fight, but then they also took sides. Some sided with the cat's owner and some with the dog's owner. Now the soldier came and they started to stop. They tried to stop the fight, but they couldn't make it possible. So they also divided into groups, and some were with the cat's owner and some were with the dog's owner. The soldiers were armed, and it wasn't long before one was killed. Soon the whole town was fighting, and the country had erupted into civil war. So now a civil war had started there.
Good morning, prep class. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to virtual classes. This is Building Mathematics Workbook. Come to page number 18. Today the date is 11th January 2021 and the day is Monday. Write backward counting from 51 to 1. What is backward counting? Backward counting means what comes before the word. What comes before the word. For example, this is number 50. What comes before 50 is 49. And what comes before 49 is 48. Yes. What comes before 48 is 47. And what comes before 47 is 46. What comes before 46 is 45. Now who will tell me what comes before 45 is 44. What comes before 44 is 43. And what comes before 43 is 42. What comes before 42 is 41. And what comes before 41 is 40. Okay, prep class, let's read with me. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Complete this page. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.
A civil war had started. Houses were destroyed and the palace was set on fire. Many people were killed and became homeless. Days later, the king and his ministers stood beside the charred ruins of palace and what was left of the town. Perhaps now the king was saying that perhaps I was wrong, said the king sadly. Perhaps the drop of honey was our problem after all. As you know, as you have read that in the first paragraph, when the drop of honey fell on the edge of the balcony, then the king said that that's not our problem. So now after having having a destruction at a very large level, the king was saying that perhaps the drop of honey was our problem after all. So this is all about this story. You read this story, and if you find any kind of difficulty, ask me freely. Look at the comprehension and looking closely. Look at the question number 1. Find two adjectives in the story that mean extremely fierce. So these are the two adjectives. Vicious and the dangerous are the two adjectives which mean extremely furious. Which word mean lazily? Which word mean lazily? The languidly word meaning lazily in the context. Write down synonyms of the erupted and charred. Erupted, burst out, and charred, blacken. What sort of action is described by the verb to dab? His behavior shows that he has no concern about the incident. By wiping out the honey from his chain, he was showing that he has no concern about the incident. His carelessness show. This section is showing his carelessness. The number 5 is, what is nectar? What does it have to do with honey? A sweet liquid which is undiluted is called the nectar. Look at the comprehension. The first question is, describe the scene set in the first paragraph. So you will write, the king was sitting in one of the balconies of his palace and was looking down onto his subjects and having breakfast with his minister. So this is the set of the first scene in the story. Look at the question number 2. What happened during the king's breakfast that was to have such important consequences? A drop of honey fell down at edge of the balcony, which dripped down onto the street of market. So this was the important happening which was happened while he was having the breakfast, and because of that all the incident happened. Look at the 3 question. What did the minister want to do when he saw the cat and dog fighting? He wanted to send someone to stop the dog and cat. What happened after the cat and dog started to fight? The owners of the cat and dog started to fight, and the 2 groups created there. They fought and set city on the fire. Look at the question number 5. Why did so many people get involved in the fighting? When families started to join in fighting, then many people get involved in the fighting. What was the king thinking at the very end of the story? He was thinking that he was wrong, and perhaps the drop of honey was his problem after all. So this is all for today. Thoroughly read the text of this story, and if you feel any kind of problem, then ask me.